Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to debug using Pycharm IDE. So currently in the screen you are seeing Odoo 15, which is my ERP application that I am running using Pycharm. So I have here Pycharm Community Edition, and I'll show you how we can debug your code using Pycharm IDE. So the point that we will be covering inside this video is how to enable Pycharm Debugger, how to add breakpoints, how to evaluate expression, and how to mute the breakpoints in Pycharm Debugger. So currently you can see Pycharm is running in the normal mode, that is not without debugger. So here I can see if I restart, you can see the program is running and I can access my ERP, that is Odoo ERP here. So if in some case, as we are developer, we have to debug our code to understand the flow of the code or to debug our errors. So if I open this directory custom add-ons, here I have a module in Odoo ERP. So Odoo ERP is an ERP that running on Python. So here I have got a module called OM Hospital, which contains a Python file called appointment.py. So I'll be using, or I'll be demonstrating how to use Pycharm Debugger inside this file. So in order to start debugging in Pycharm, you have to first stop the normal execution. So here I have just stopped the normal execution of my program, and here you can see you have a button debug Odoo 15, which is my program name. So simply I'll click on this button. Then you can see the debugger has been enabled. So here you can see PyDev debugger process 13804 is connecting. So currently I have enabled the debug mode in Pycharm. So my program is currently running on debug mode. And if I refresh here, you can see everything is running smoothly. So what I'm going to do is that if I open the appointments, here I have got, or I'll create a new appointment in my system. I'll select a doctor, click on save. So currently here we can see we have got different buttons in consultation and etc. Suppose if I need to debug something, what I have to do, or here we have a program, this is my code, action done. And if I need to know value of this function on execution, I can simply click on here. If you click here, you can see a breakpoint has been added. And if you place here, you can see the information suspend thread on. If code execution reaches this line, it will suspend the execution here, and I'll add some debug or breakpoints here. Currently I have added 3 breakpoints. So if you click on these, you can see all the breakpoints that you have added here. So I have just added 3 breakpoints, and this action done will be getting executed while clicking on mark as done. So on clicking this button, the code execution will reach here and it will stop. So let's see, I'll click on mark as done, and you can see on clicking mark as done, the screen itself get switched to Pycharm. So the code execution reach here and it has been stopped. Now we have to take further action, whether it has to be resumed or we have to kill the running process. So the code execution reach here, the value of self is appointment, hospital dot appointment of 96, and value of rec is this one. Now if I need to know, from here the code execution will go to this function action send mail. So I'll add another breakpoint here. So if I come back here, currently code execution stop here. So in order to resume, you can see you have the resume program button here. I'll click on that. Then you can see the code execution from here is moved to here, and here you can see the value of self is this one, and value of template. If you need to know the value of template, here you can see template, mail template of 41. So another way to know the value is just you can click on that evaluate expression template. You will be getting all the details. If I need to know template dot name, I can put template dot name evaluate appointment template. Like this you can debug. So code execution reach here, and if you need to go next line, I can add I can add breakpoints here, and I can remove by clicking. So I have added one more breakpoint, resume. And if I run, or at this moment, if you need to know how the code execution reaches this function, you can see you have different frames here. You can see these are the frames. So the code execution reaches here from this function, the next frame. So initially the code execution was here, then it has been come here. So by looking here, we can understand how the code execution is flowing. So I have got all the values from here. Now I can resume. Then what? The code execution again comes here. Actions and email. I click on resume, and you can see this has been finished, and rec.state, I think it has been timed out. So we will start once again. I'll click on mark as done. So we have to resume the program as it has been timed out. So I have just rerun the debugger again. I'll click on mark as done. The code execution reach here, and if I need to remove all my breakpoints, currently here you can see we have breakpoints here. If I need to temporarily mute the breakpoint, simply click on here. You can see the color has been changed. So by clicking here, you can mute the breakpoint. So if I mute the breakpoint, the code execution will not stop at the next line. It will continue the execution, and you can see the state has been changed. So this is how we can debug a program using Pycharm. Just click on the debugger button at the top right. It will enable the debug mode. Then we have to add the breakpoints. So to add the breakpoints, what you have to do is that, suppose if you have a line of code where the code execution happen, just click a here. Currently it's muted, that's why it's coming in black. So I will unmute the breakpoint, so it will come in red color like this. You can add breakpoints inside your code. So once the code execution is done, the execution will come here, and by selecting we can evaluate this expression. So I'll show once again. So let me create a new appointment, create, save, in consultation. Here you can see the code execution stops here, code execution. And if I need to evaluate here, resume program, I'll check what is the value of rec.state, evaluate expression. Rec.state is draft, and value of rec is hospital.appointment, which we are seeing here. Evaluate, then resume. So here you can see the in consultation is done. Now if I click on mark as done, the code execution stops here, and if I resume the program, it stops here, and I'll remove the rest of the breakpoints, and you can see the program execution is completed. So this is how simple we can debug using Pycharm Debugger. Simply enable the debugger, add the breakpoints. When the code execution reaches there, it will stop. We can evaluate all the variables, click on resume, then it will stop on the next breakpoint. Like that we can debug our code, and once you finish, you can remove the debugger or the breakpoints and keep it muted. So I hope this video helped for you. If you like the video, please do click the like button and support us by sharing the video with your friends. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.